Auto-feed shredders can experience several common issues that prevent them from working properly. We'll diagnose the most frequent problems and show you how to fix them. The most common issue is paper jams. These occur when you overload the shredder, use the wrong paper type, or try to shred unsuitable materials like credit cards or CDs. Here's what a paper jam looks like. You can see shredded paper stuck in the cutting mechanism, preventing normal operation. To fix a paper jam, first unplug the shredder for safety. Then use the reverse function to try dislodging the paper. If that doesn't work, manually remove the jammed paper with tweezers or pliers. Applying shredder oil helps lubricate the blades and can help loosen stubborn jams. Use the oil sparingly and follow your manufacturer's instructions. The second major issue is auto-feed malfunctions. These happen when there are obstructions in the paper path, dirty or worn auto-feed rollers, or incorrect paper alignment. Auto-feed mechanisms rely on precise alignment and clean rollers to function properly. When these components get dirty or misaligned, the shredder won't pull paper in automatically. To fix auto-feed problems, start by unplugging the shredder. Inspect the paper path for any obstructions and remove them. Clean the auto-feed rollers with a dry, lint-free cloth. Make sure paper is properly aligned and not folded when loading it into the auto-feed tray. Proper alignment ensures the rollers can grip and feed the paper correctly through the shredding mechanism. These troubleshooting steps will resolve most auto-feed issues. Remember to always unplug your shredder before performing any maintenance and keep your rollers clean for optimal performance. Sensor problems are a common cause of auto-feed malfunctions in paper shredders. When dust, debris, or oil accumulates on the sensors, it interferes with their ability to detect paper and control the feeding mechanism. To fix sensor issues, first unplug the shredder for safety. Then locate the paper sensors, which are typically positioned near the feed slots or waste bin area. This technical diagram shows the typical sensor locations in a shredder assembly. For cleaning sensors, you have several effective options. Use a soft brush for loose debris, compressed air for hard-to-reach areas, or a lint-free cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol for thorough cleaning. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing sensor issues and keeping your shredder running smoothly. This includes regularly oiling the blades and emptying the waste bin before it becomes full. By addressing sensor issues promptly and following a regular maintenance schedule, you can prevent most auto-feed problems and extend your shredder's lifespan. Remember to always unplug the device before performing any maintenance or cleaning procedures.